All right, guys, I greet you all. Today is Tuesday morning, and this is just almost 9 o'clock. This 8:56. So I'm on this trade now. This Euro USD. I'm on this buy trade now. So the trade is almost at my stop loss. But the trade just triggered me. Now this setup here was yesterday's setup. You know. So the trade just triggered me this morning. I saw the trade pulling down. So that's my point of interest. So I set the pending order and it triggered me and it's still pushing down. This volatility is something else, just too much. I don't know. And there's no news. But it's okay. I'm almost out of the trade. So let me just see if the trade will hit my SL while recording. So there will be no need for me to do a second video. I'm risking 1% on this trade. Let's see. The trade just stopped me out now. So let me go to close trades. You can see lost $52. Yeah, so and that is it for today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and we'll do our thing. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, good day everyone. I greet you. Today is Wednesday and I'm seeing a very good setup on Euro USD. You know, overall I was expecting a buy today, you know, because that buy I took yesterday is still valid. Only that the market just stopped me out and it's just in that position play. It's just in that position playing around. So I say a very nice buy yesterday night, but you know, I don't trade Asian session, so even London session give out a very good buy. But then it's okay. So now it's New York. I'm seeing a clear buy, but looking at where market is, if the market is actually going to come to that my point of interest, then it will dish out a very good sell. So if I see a good sell setup to that point of interest, I'm still going to take it. You know, but if I don't, I'll wait for the buy. You know, so let's just go to the chart so I can show you guys the trade setup. All right, guys. So I'm seeing a sell setup now, and this is 3 minutes time frame. You know, so if this market can be able to pull back to this POI, I'm going to sell. But overall, I'm looking for a buy. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Got this set up from 1 hour though, but here on 15 minutes time frame, you can see it's a very clear buy. So if this market can be able to drop to this POI here, I'm going to look for a buy from here to clear this high or this high. But let's see. I will still have red further news coming by 3 o'clock. So let's see. Let's see if this market will be able to mitigate this POI before 3 o'clock. That means that news might come out negative, you know. But if we still here playing around, that means maybe the news is going to come out positive because it will need to drop to this POI. But you know, regardless, the market will always do what it wants to do. So our own is just to wait and observe. You know, we react, we don't predict. So let's see how it goes. This market is dropping. I don't think it will be able to mitigate. You know, it's already at the TP already. But let's see. I will update you guys if I see any good setup. All right, guys. So this is 0 USD, and I'm on this trade now. The trade just triggered me. This is the news candle. So after the news, I just waited for this retracement, then entered. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, the trade is just running. Okay. So I will update you guys later. Let's see how this one goes. I pray it is a good one. I will update you guys. All right, guys. I greet you. So today is Thursday. It's already 1 o'clock by now, and we're expecting a high impact news by 1:15 and 1:30 today, and also 3 o'clock, I think. So that's our trade yesterday. The trade letter hit my SL. The trade move. That trade was just 1:2, so the trade moved close to my TP, then reverse, and I didn't break even, because it's just 1:2. So I just allowed the trade to do whatever it wants. So after playing for a very long time, I think around 2:30 to 3, that was when the trade hit my SL. So and I've seen a good setup today, a good buy setup again. So, and I'm on the trade now. The trade just triggered me a few minutes ago. So let me just go to the chart so I can show you guys the yesterday trade and the today trade too. All right, guys. So this is the trade. This is the trade, the yesterday trade. You can see after this market play around with all these bullshit. This was the candle that stopped me out, this particular candle here. And if you check the time, it's I don't know if you guys can see the time very well. 2 o'clock, see, 2:00 a.m. So I lost. And another thing is, I found out that this trade, I lost about 1.5% on this trade, close trade. See, 64, $65. I was risking just 1% on this trade, but I ended up losing $65. And I think it's because of the spread, the midnight spread. So I think I will stop holding trade overnight. All these things contribute to reasons why we lose our profit, because if this kind of thing should happen to my account like 2 times or 3 times, I will lose. It will be up to 1%. That means me hoping to have at least 10 chances of trying on this particular account, it will now reduce it to 9, you see, which will affect my account somehow. So I think I will stop holding trades overnight, So instead of holding that trade overnight, once it's 8, 9, I will rather just, close the trade, even if it's at break even or something like that. I will look for how to, amend the rules, and see how I will go about it. Okay, let's go to, this is the trade I'm currently on GBP USD. The trade just triggered me a few minutes ago. Let's see. So I'm on this one now. I'm just going for 1:2.5. But I'm expecting news. I'm expecting news by 1:15, and this is 1:05 in the next 10 minutes. So let me just see how it goes. if this trade will push a little bit higher, then I'll have to break even, because of the news. Then remove my TP, because this my problem is there. You cannot close your trade 2 minutes after the news. Understand? So no matter how it is, I will update you guys. Let's see how this one goes. I've taken 2 trades so far. This one is making a trade. I've taken 2 trades so far this week, and both of them are losses. You know, even though there is some kind of mistakes on the trade on my end. Because yesterday trade was not supposed to be a loss. I was supposed to break even on that trade, but I just wanted to leave it and let it play out. I regretted that decision somehow, but it's okay. I've amended it on my rules, so that kind of thing will not happen next time. So I will update you guys. I'll update you guys later. See you guys. All right, guys. So this trade stopped me out at break even. This is the news candle. This first candle that push up. And the trade hit my TP though, because my TP was just at this point here. So the trade hit my TP, but this prop firm, you cannot close your trade 2 minutes before after the news, or 2 minutes before the news. So they have that rule. So what I did was I break even. This white line is my break even point. I break even, then remove my TP. So that is when the first time when the 115 news came out. So this is the push. Then then the trade hit my TP and reverse. This second candle is 130 news, and the news still come out negative. It still push up. After the push up, it still come down to hit my break even. So I'm out of this trade. So we'll come back tomorrow and we'll do our thing. This problem of a thing is just tiring. You understand? It's just tiring, but what can we do when we don't have enough money to trade our own capital? So we'll be managing it that way. So you can see the trade here. This is the trade. It stopped me out at break even. So let's go. This week I'm down 2% on my account. You can see 2%, but both the spread and the commission and everything has made it more than. I'm almost approximately 2.5% on this account now. But it's all good. It's all good. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll come back and we'll do our thing. If we don't see any trade tomorrow, that means we're ending this week with minus 2.5%. But it's okay. We'll come back next week and we'll continue the journey. We are not giving up. You guys know the vibe. We are not giving up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Today is Friday, and also NFP. But the NFP news is over. If you look at this my screen, you will see this huge, massive candle. This is NFP candle. So it's over. This 235. So NFP is over a long time ago. So I just bought this buy now. I was not even expecting to see a trade today, but as God could have it, this setup just popped out now. So I decided to take the sell. So let's see how it goes. I will I will definitely update you guys very, very soon, because this will be a quick one, a very quick one, I think. So let's see. All right, guys. Like I told you guys, that this one is going to be a quick one. So it should just hit my TP now. So as you can see here, 1:3 ways to reward trade. We are back at break even. You see, back at break even. Lost 2.5% with the two trade I took before. Then this win, putting us at break even. So that will be it for this week. I will see you guys next week. Wishing you guys a happy weekend. See you guys.